Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the how to place any component in Revit. So for that I will just click on this component. See, this one your component. I will click on this drop down. So once I click on this drop down, so here two more options are you can see. So I will click on the place a component. So once I click on the place a component, so here you can see this property tab is open, and here you can see this modification tools are now open. So I will click on this drop down, and from here you can see you can just add this component in the drawing, right? So let me select this desk. I will just select this size of desk. See, I have just selected that desk, and I can just place the desk anywhere I just wanted. See, in this way I can just place the desk, right? If I just wanted to load more number of component, so here you can see this button load families. I will click here, and once I click here, so from here I will just go here you can see number of options are here. From here I can just load more number of components. So let me go in the furniture. See, here a number of components are present. I will go in the bed. See, bed devices, seating, storage, tables are here. I will go in the bed, and from here how many number of component you just wanted, you can select multiple element and click on the open. Then your this element will be you can see on this property palette once you click on this drop down, right? So if you just click on this individual, you can see the preview of this individual element. See, now I just wanted to bring this bed in our file. So I will just click on the open. So see, this bed is now in the property palette. So I can just place the bed, see, in this way. See, we have just placed the bed. We can just load more number of families just by clicking on the load family button. So you can just see this bed is now added.